Welcome to SIMS. Today topic multiplication method 62 multiplication 43. So it's a comes to 62 into 43. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So given, and first straight line and after that cross line and again straight. So 6 into 3 cross multiplication 18 and 4 into 2 cross multiplication 8. So total 26. Take 6 and again 2. So after that 6 into 4 straight. So 6 into 4 24 plus 2 26. Taking 26. So 2626. This is the multiplication crossing method. Easy to straight, cross, straight. This is 2 row only. This is 2 row only. Again I will explain to the 3 row. Example 1, 2, 4 into 2, 3, 2. Example straight. It's a take multiplication. Directly we'll take straight, cross multiplication, straight,